Good morning, my dear students of class 6B. Children, I welcome you all to this beginning of English classes as per the sections which are allotted to the teachers. As 6B, you all know that my name is Pooja Rastogi and I am your class teacher for this academic session. So children, from now onwards, that is from this Monday, we will be taking up classes as per our class timetable. So we will be having subjects and the classes as per the subjects given in our class timetable. You need not to worry about the timetable as we will be forwarding you the time, the topic and everything as I have been doing it. So children, as being your class teacher, you all are aware with me though we have not met formally. But yes, I will be taking up English for class 6B. So, as other teachers have taught you different chapters from the two books, and I know you people are very smart, very intelligent, that you people have adapted the learning from the previous chapters. But yes, this is the time to revise the content thoroughly. So, today's class, I will pick up the first chapter of your English book, Honeysuckle, which says, Who did Patrick's homework? Children, as I know, you all are aware of the chapter, the characters, the story. But yes, let us quickly recap of what the chapter has to say about. And yes, in this way, we will be having a thorough revision of what has been explained to you all. Alright, so let us begin without further ado. Let's get started. So, who did Patrick's homework, children? Children, you all, have been familiar with what the chapter has to tell about. It's a story about a boy, Patrick, isn't it? And who was not willing to do his homework. In fact, children, everybody amongst us, we don't feel like doing homework. We feel bored at some times. We don't feel like doing the homework. We feel let us sit and watch TV, let us eat, let us play. But yes, during this, sensitive time of pandemic, of COVID-19, children, we need to stay at home. Then staying at home, you people have to take your online classes. Online classes means you need to learn on your own also. So homework is a very important part of your day-to-day learning. Now let us see what role this homework has to play in this chapter. And I am very excited to know what happens in the chapter with Patrick and whether he is able to do his homework or not. So let's start the chapter. Children, this is a wonderful story which has been presented through a magical realism. Magical realism here means which something that is not magic but a belief, means something which has happened to me. I know it is not a magic, but I believe, oh my God, I wonder how come this has happened to me. So this story presents magical realism, something which is not magic, but yes, definitely it tends to believe us that it happened suddenly. So, in this chapter, a boy, Patrick, who gets inspired and feels propelled. Children, propelled here means forced into, who is, motivationally drawn towards doing something. So, Patrick, who is feeling propelled to work hard by an imaginary elf. Imaginary elf, you all have been aware of. It is a supernatural being. It is not a real character. It is not a human being. So, he is not only able to complete the work, children, but rather than he scores very good marks, children. So, he is scoring very good marks. Then he is completing his work. How come this sudden change took place in Patrick's life? The story conveys a message also, children. The story conveys a message that self-help can do wonders. Can do wonders, children. Children, no matter we are not going to school, no matter we are not taking one-to-one classes in the classrooms, but yes, self-help. If teachers are helping themselves in making you learn and students are helping themselves, in learning whatever is being taught. Children, it is going to create wonders in our life. We were not knowing how to teach online, but yes, we fought for that. We strived to teach. We learned how to teach through online classes, using different gadgets, using different machines. And same goes with you all. How to take lessons from online classes, how to note down important points, how to learn, how to complete the work. Children, so self-help can do wonders in our life. It is not just about children homework, but it can do many things, children. So let us quickly see what the story has to say about. I'll give you a short summary of the story. Patrick was an active boy who loved outdoor games like hockey and basketball. He was an enthusiastic player but somehow was not interested in studies. So, because of his poor interest in studies, he shirked work, means he used to escape from work, and he was warned by his teachers. When you people don't do your homework, the teachers warn you, now you are going to do the work, else I'm not going to check your work. So Patrick used to get different reminders and warnings, children. Then what happened was that one day Patrick observed his cat playing with a doll. So he observed that Patrick's cat is playing with a doll. But when he went near the cat, he looked at the cat and he noticed that it was a small man elf, which means a supernatural being. He was wearing a woolen shirt, a tall hat, and breeches. He was scared of a cat and needed help. So he requested Patrick to save him. These supernatural beings are, according to the lesson, children, according to the chapter, they are feeling scared of human beings. For example, children, you saw that movie Krish, so that alien who entered the earth was scared of human beings. So any creature who doesn't belong to some planet is obviously scared of. So this supernatural character in the story was feeling scared of cat and took help from Patrick, pleaded to Patrick to help him out, to save him from the cat. Then what happens? He requested Patrick to save him, and in return he promised to grant him a wish. For example, Patrick, please save me from this cat, and in return I am going to do you any favor you will ask for. Any wish. I will fulfill your any wish. Now what happens? A person who is very lazy, who is not willing to do any work, what will happen, children? That person is going to, take the advantage of that opportunity. So, Patrick took the advantage of that opportunity. Now, children, what happened further is a big surprise. Alright? So, let us see what actually happened. This is just the summary, children. I will explain the chapter in the next class, which is tomorrow. Children, every day, your first period will be your English class. As you all know, class teacher takes the first period. So, every day we will be studying English. And 6B is going to meet me every day. Now, Patrick felt very happy. He called himself a fortunate one. A fortunate one means he thought that he is very lucky. Just in one favor, he was getting one wish in return. Means he is going to help that elf, and then in return what happened? His one wish will be fulfilled by that supernatural creature. Then, what was the wish? He asked the elf to do his homework in return. Though the elf was not ready, yet he offered to do him for 35 days. 35 days was the time period in Patrick's school for completing one semester. So children, I will stop here today, giving you a brief summary and giving you time, because now from 27th onwards, from today itself, children, we will be revising all the chapters which have been taught. So I am going to meet you every day. We are not in a rush, and I would request my dear students of 6B to please learn, study the chapter, and then in the next class we will discuss the chapter. In this way, children, the chapter will be learned by you all through the classes, and then it will be retained in your minds also, right? So without further ado, you need to do two things. You need to listen to the previous chapters, see what work is given. At the end of the week, at the end of the chapter, I'm going to give you again the questions and answers, so that if you have missed anything, children, you can do it in your copies. But a very important reminder to the students and the parents who are sitting with their students. Parents and students, please note it down. You need to do the written work, because any day when school opens, we are going to ask you the written work. Any day we can ask to just click the picture and send it to us, like this also. So children, it is your duty to complete the written work. So I will begin with the specific chapter and explanation in the next class. See you all tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.